All of you note down. These 4 sums are the homework. I'll complete these 12 sums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only these 4 sums will be your homework. Got it? ये चारों सम होमवर्क रहेगा. आप क्लास में ये सम करवाऊंगी. Understood? Jennifer, note down this homework. Now let me start the class. Look. The first one. What is in the first one? Jennifer, do it. Why are you laughing, beta? What happened? अच्छा, और in them doing तो? Look. 5 plus 5, 10. 10, 0, carry 1. Now 4 plus 4, 8 plus this 1. It will be 9. Normal addition. 90 paise. Are you doing, Shamraj Shakibuddin? Or Kopriya, keep your camera on. Sorry. Now this one. 5 plus 0, it will be 5. Okay. Then 1 plus nothing means here it is 0. So it will be 1. 15 paise. Jennifer done? This one, the third one do? Do the next one. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 57 paise. Ayman, do it first. Now this one, 0, 5, 4 plus 3, 7. 5, 5 plus 2, it will be 7. 2 plus 1, 3. This one is very easy, na? 0, 0, just 2 plus 1, 3, 300. Or Kopriya, keep your camera on. Or Kopriya, keep your camera on. Next one. Look, here we have to add this rupee and this paise. This decimal will remain as it is over there. Look. This is decimal or point. 0. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5 here, 9. Or Kopriya, are you writing? No, you are not writing. Acha, now again this one, decimal point. Then it will be 5. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. Now 5 plus 7. 12, 2, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Jennifer, concentrate in the class. This will be 5. 4. This one 8 plus 9. 17. 17 rupees 45 paise. শাকিবউদ্দিন, সম্রাজ, সৃজিতা, অর্কপ্রিয়া, ঋতুশ্রী। আচ্ছা, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1. Now 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. This one 6 plus 3, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. Now do the next one. Look, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus this 5, 11, 1. Now don't put 11 over there, huh? This one will be carry forward. Only 2 place digit will be there. Understood? Orkopriya, Srijita? Acha, 3. Okay, now 2 plus 4, 6 plus this one, 7. Now 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, now the next one. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 7, 12. Carry 1. Now this 1 plus 3, 4 plus 9, 13. 3 carried 1. Again this 4 plus 2 plus 1. 73 rupees 23 paise. Understood? Done to? Those who have completed, they can raise their hand. Ifra, now done? Yes, okay. Shamraj, Shaugato, Afroz, Shamraj, note down. Open at page number 113, subtraction. Here also, this column is your homework. These 4 sums. Acha, sorry. Not these 4 sums, only these 2 sums, huh? Is your homework. Only these 2 sums. These 2 is your homework. I'll complete these 6 sums, huh? Today. And this, the left portion will be done by tomorrow. Okay. Okay, now everyone, these 2 homework, now let me solve this one. Okay. Aryan Ahmad, what are you doing? Look at this. Afroz Almashuddin doing to just normal subtraction, huh? Look, this one will be passe at the end, it will be the unit. Now, this 5 is less than this 7, though. So, we'll have to consider this 5 as 15. Now, after 7, start to count till 15. It will be 8. Now, as we have borrowed, this is borrowing subtraction. This 8 will be becoming 7. Now, after 1, we have to count till We are getting 7, so it will be 6. The answer is 68 paise. Done, Almasuddin? Okay, now the next one. Okay, now the next one. This 4 is less than 7. We'll consider this 4 as 14. Now after 7, start to count. It will be 7. Afroz, are you doing? Now this 7 will be becoming, it will be becoming 6. As we have borrowed 1 from this 7. Okay. Now after 2 start to count, it will be 4. Okay. Now the next one, it will be 0. It will also be 0. It will be 3. Done to? Now do the next one. Here rupee subtraction, paise subtraction, and decimal point will remain as it is. Okay. Okay, I'm doing this one. This will be 0. 4 minus 3, 1. 10 paise, and this one 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 10 rupees, 10 paise. Now do the next one. Almasuddin done. Atrei, Orkopriya, Jennifer, Jinia done. Okay, now look at this. This one 5 minus 5, 0. It will be coming 1. That is 10 paise. This one 1. Do the next one. 50. Okay. That is 50. Okay. It will be 1. Completed. Now also do this row, huh? It will be 0, 0, decimal, this one. We'll consider this 0 as 10, na? And this 9 will be becoming 8. Yes. So it will be 3. It will be 2. 23 decimal 0, 0. That means 23 rupees 0, 0 paise. Done. Now do the next one. This one will be 6. It will be 1. 16 paise. And here this one, it will be 7. We will have to consider this one as 10. And this one will be becoming 7. Okay. So directly I am doing, huh? This type of subtraction you have done for so many times, na? So I am not showing it again. Do it. Now do the next one. The next one, look. 0, 2. Okay, here it will be 6. Next one, 2. Done to? Shogato, Ankush, Ritosri, all the student completed. Now I'll check your paper. Actually, you can also complete this one. No need to do this one. Okay, I'll check your copy. This one will be started tomorrow. Huh? Now let me take the name and I'll check your book.